সম্মানিত সুধীজন, শুভ সন্ধ্যা। বরাবরের মতো আবারও পৌঁছে গেছি আপনাদের সম্মুখে আমার অতি জ্ঞানী, গুণী, মেধাবিনী ছাত্রছাত্রীদেরকে নিয়ে। এ পর্বে আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছে মিস্টার ফারহান মন্ডল। ওকে ফারহান, আর ইউ রেডি?
Yes, sir.
ওকে, প্লিজ ইন্ট্রোডিউস ইউরসেলফ।
Thank you, sir, for your beautiful question. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to say something about myself. Sir, as you know, I am Farhan Mandal, a student of class 3. I am 10 years old. I am from a beautiful place named Amakhali, Nuda district. There are 7 members in our lovely family. My father's name is Farhan Mandal. He is a great businessman. My mother's name is Subra Mandal.
মাদার্স যেটা বলো।
My mother's name is Subra Mandal. She is a private teacher. I like to play cricket and reading books. I like sincerity, honesty and punctuality. I dislike to talk ill other and waste of time. Sir, everyone should have an aimless life. A aimless life is just like a boat without boatman. So my aim in life is to be a great doctor as well as a good human being. Sir, that's all about myself. Thank you, sir, for listening me.
Let's a big hand for Mr. Farhan for his outstanding performance. চমৎকার, খুব সুন্দর বলেছো, এভাবে এগিয়ে চলো।